On today's Disney Roundup, an official opening date is revealed for Tiana's Bayou Adventure, new details are shared on the Polynesian Resort Tower, and Disney announces a streaming bundle with Disney Plus and Max. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. Starting with Parks news, officially announced earlier this week, Disney has shared when Tiana's Bayou Adventure will officially open at the Magic Kingdom. Disney has now confirmed that Tiana's Bayou Adventure at the Magic Kingdom will officially open on Friday, June 28th. The ride will take guests on a musical adventure picking up after the events of the film The Princess and the Frog. You'll join Princess Tiana on an adventure through the bayou as she prepares to host a one-of-a-kind celebration during Mardi Gras season where everyone is welcome. Along the way, you'll see some familiar faces, make new friends, and travel through the bayou into the next chapter of Tiana's story. Tiana's Bayou Adventure will also feature music and some familiar tunes from the beloved movie and so much more, including an incredibly thrilling 50-foot drop. When Tiana's Bayou Adventure opens on June 28th, it will use a virtual queue. Guests can request to join the virtual queue via the My Disney Experience app at one of the two times of 7 a.m. or 1 p.m. Tiana's Bayou Adventure will also be included as a Lightning Lane entrance in Disney Genie Plus. And for the time being, it will not be offered as an individual Lightning Lane. Starting June 28th, you can find the collections for Tiana's Bayou Adventure and The Princess and the Frog inspired merchandise at the Emporium at Magic Kingdom, and shortly after the attraction debuts, the merchandise will hop over to the Critter Co-op in Frontierland. Additional details about the various merchandise collections will be shared soon. Additionally, beginning on opening day, Golden Oak Outpost and the Friar's Nook will be serving up Tiana's famous beignets for a limited time. Disney has also shared more ride previews will take place as cast member, DVC, annual pass holders, and D23 members will all get the opportunity to ride it prior to its opening day. Cast members will be able to preview the ride from June 3rd to the 7th and June 23rd to the 26th. Registration for the previews opens on May 20th. DVC members can preview the ride on June 12th or June 19th, with registration for them opening on May 16th. New for annual pass holders, on their preview dates, they will have to utilize a virtual queue. Pass holder previews will take place on June 13th, 14th, 16th, 17th, 18th, and the 20th. On those dates, pass holders will need a park pass reservation for Magic Kingdom, then need to join a virtual queue at 7 a.m. or later at 1 p.m. Each pass holder can request to join a virtual queue no more than once per day. For D23 Gold members, as of up to the recording of this video, a preview event date has not been shared at this time. Let me know what you think in the comments down below though of this new annual pass preview setup. I'm not a fan of having previews this way, and I can't imagine others are as well, especially as of up to the recording of this video. All park passes for Magic Kingdom on all the preview dates are now gone. It was also said once it was announced, the Walt Disney World website started having issues, which led to 1-hour waits, and many left unable to get a park pass on those preview dates. Also, let me know if you plan on attending a preview date for Tiana's Bayou Adventure and if you'll be there opening day. Out at the Disneyland Resort, the Disneyland Forward project has been approved. Over this past week, the Anaheim City Council has given final approval for Disneyland Forward for the next chapter to begin out at the Disneyland Resort. This legacy project will set up Disneyland Resort in the city of Anaheim for an incredible bright future. With updated land use approvals through Disneyland Forward, Disney can build new entertainment experiences for fans, create thousands of new jobs, and bring new revenue streams to Anaheim. Disney will also be investing at least $1.9 billion in the resort in the first 10 years. They've also committed a unique benefits package for Anaheim and its residents, including $30 million for affordable housing, $8 million for parks, $85 million in traffic improvements and pedestrian safety, and continued investment in workforce development programs. Disneyland Forward will bring over 4,500 operational jobs to Disneyland Resort. Now in outside the parks news, Currently set to open by the end of this year, Disney has shared new details on the DVC Tower coming to the Polynesian resorts. The new island tower at Disney's Polynesian villas and bungalows will take you on a storytelling journey that brings to life the spirit of Polynesia. Projected to open in December of 2024, the 10-story tower overlooking the stunning views of Seven Seas Lagoon will celebrate the natural world and of course the magic of Disney. When you arrive at Island Tower, you will notice beautiful designs created exclusively for the exterior, including a gorgeous manta ray that symbolizes freedom, protection, and grace. Inside the lobby, you will be greeted by an art panel installation on the ceiling inspired by several Polynesian islands. Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian villas and bungalows will feature a variety of rooms that will sleep from 2 to 9 guests, such as duo studios, spacious 1 and 2 bedroom villas, and brand new 2-bedroom penthouse villas. Reservations for Island Tower can be made starting on June 4th for DVC members, June 5th for Walt Disney World annual pass holders, and June 6th for all guests. Now into company news. Beginning this summer, Disney will be partnering with Warner Bros. Discovery to offer a Disney Plus and Max bundle. Over this past week, Disney Entertainment and Warner Bros. Discovery announced a new streaming bundle that includes Disney Plus, Hulu, and Max. Beginning this summer in the United States, the streaming services will be offered together. The new bundle will be available for purchase on any of the 3 streaming platforms' websites and offered as both ad-supported and ad-free. Additional details regarding the bundle offer will be shared in the coming months. Alright everyone, well, that's you for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's all you for this week, and until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.